Sir, good afternoon. Sir, regarding do sa African swine fever, sir.
The what? The what?
African swine fever, sir.
Yeah.
ASF. Sir, yung discovery nung pag-dump ng 56 pigs sa Marikina River and then do sa almost dozen sa Barangay Silangan. And then we have cases sa Pampanga and Bulacan. Can we still say na the DA is the situation is under control by the DA? Parang lumalaki kasi yung problem on ASF.
Well, definitely, because the DFA has, the Department of Agriculture has already made specific areas where that disease is contained, meaning in Rodriguez, Antipolo, and one part in Bulangan. Those are the only areas. And
Sir,
he said it's safe. And in fact, they ate the meat as I did every day.
No, sir. Doon sa discovery sa Barangay Silangan, it is in Quezon City, sir. Meaning, nakapasok na dito sa Metro Manila yung ASF. So, ang assurance ng public, kung meron man, are we still safe in eating pork products, sir? Kasi nandito na sa Metro Manila yung ASF.
What you're saying is these pigs, the dead pigs, were brought here via the river, right? The Marikina River.
No, sir. I'm talking about Barangay Silangan, sir. Merong separate case doon eh. May mga backyard hog raisers doon na nagtapon din ng patay na baboy sa ilog, sir.
Tinapon sa ilog?
Yes, sir. 11 sila, sir. 11 na patay na baboy. So may cases na dito sa atin, sir. And yung Marikina River, dito rin naman sa atin sa Metro Manila.
I'm sure the Department of Agriculture will take care of that.
Sir, going back do sa pag-dump ng mga dead pigs, sir. Sir, parang it is a case of ignorance sa part ng mga backyard hog raisers kasi kung tayo dito nagkakaroon ng live broadcast pero sila wala silang form of parang information sa kung ano talaga yung ASF. So, hindi pa dapat i-order ng DILG sa mga local government, particular sa mga barangay officials to mag-house to house para ma-inform sila kung anong dapat gawin in case na mayroong mga cases of dead pigs. Or
By this time, those areas have been informed what they should do relative to that.
Pero sir, para kasing dinadownplay natin yung problem. Like, dito sa Quezon City, merong incidents between Mayor Joy Belmonte and Secretary Dar, wherein nagulat si Secretary Dar kahapon sa kanyang statement na nag-announce si Mayor Belmonte na ASF nga yung cases ng mga nakuhang baboy dun sa Barangay Silangan. And wala pa tayong order sa mga local government na magkaroon ng ilaan or ipaubaya sa DA ang announcement in case na kasi it took more than weeks for the DA to confirm na merong ASF nga sa bansa while si Mayor Belmonte it took her 1 day para ma-confirm na ASF nga yung mga nakita sa
As I
Barangay
said,
Silangan.
the Department of Agriculture is taking care of that.
So sir, you are confident na safe pa rin yung meat natin despite dito sa latest cases dito sa Metro Manila?
The DA said it is, and so it is.